Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fitness Feast. I'm your guide, and today we're diving into a foundational yoga pose that's both simple and incredibly restorative, Balasana or Child's Pose. Balasana, often referred to as Child's Pose, is a staple in many yoga practices. It's a resting pose that helps to calm the mind and stretch the body. Balasana has its roots in ancient yoga traditions, where it's used as a pose of surrender and introspection. In Sanskrit, bala means child and asana means pose, which reflects the pose's gentle and nurturing nature. Let's break down how to get into child's pose. Start by kneeling on your mat with your knees spread apart about hip-width distance. Sit back onto your heels and then fold forward, extending your arms in front of you or by your sides, and rest your forehead on the mat. Here are some key tips for getting the most out of this pose. You can keep your knees apart if you have tight hips or opt for a closer stance if it feels more comfortable. Adjust as needed. Make sure your forehead is gently resting on the mat. If it doesn't reach the floor, you can place a folded blanket or bolster under your forehead. Extend your arms forward for a more active stretch or bring them alongside your body with palms facing up for a more relaxed variation. Balasana is incredibly beneficial for both the body and the mind. Here are a few key benefits. It's an excellent pose for calming the nervous system and reducing stress and anxiety. It provides a gentle stretch to the back, helping to relieve tension and discomfort in the spine. Child's pose can help open the hips and stretch the thighs, which is beneficial if you spend long periods sitting. It's often used as a resting pose between more challenging postures, allowing the body to recover and prepare for the next pose. Child's pose is a great addition to any yoga practice, whether you're new to yoga or an experienced practitioner. It's a pose of rest and renewal, offering a moment of peace amidst your practice. If you enjoyed learning about Balasana, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more yoga tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments how you incorporate child's pose into your practice, or if you have any questions. Outro music, soft calming background music, host voiceover. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste. Most welcome viewers to our channel. Fade out.